Hey, good morning. It's Saturday. This is Tim with Expert Power Wash. Seems like Saturday is usually the only time I have to make a video. I had a good friend of mine in Arkansas ask how I rinse out my downstream injector. He doesn't want to move his drop sticks back and forth between different tanks. This is a simple, quick little way on how I plumbed it. Hopefully this helps somebody else out that's just starting out or new. Let's take a look and I'll show you how I did it. Alrighty, it starts with these. This is a 1/4 inch three-way ball valve. We have these here in stock, a bunch of them if you're local to us. There's two different ones like this. One has Viton seals and one does not, and they look exactly the same. So if you do get some of these, just make sure they're the good ones. All we carry is the good ones. So I'll show you how I have it plumbed out on my truck. Go around the corner here. Gonna have to climb up here. Most people watching this video will already know this, but maybe this is helpful to somebody. So we're not editing this thing. We don't have any fancy music or anything, but here it is. This is just drilled straight into the tank. Play with your bits. I think I used a 3/8 bit, and then that makes it pretty stout. This one was done a long time ago. A little bigger of a hole. Still works. Pull this off. Show you the filter system that I have in here. Let's see if I can get in there. Get the look inside my tank. Oh, there's debris in there. That's not good. All right, let's see. Good thing I have a filter between my tank and pressure washer, huh? So if you're not using a Banjo Y filter, this would be a good reason to. There's little bits of debris. Just quick side note, if you guys are hooking up water hoses, an employee uses this most of the time, but I've been guilty of it. Run your garden hose for, I don't know, 10 seconds. Push out all the debris out of the end of the water spigot. But anyways, okay. So this is how I run these. These just sit in the tank, 1/4 inch tubing. This is 18-inch riser tube. You get this from Home Depot. And then it's just a filter on the end of that. These filters are like $1.50, $2. We carry them. You can also get them from several different retailers online. I don't think you can get them at Home Depot or anything like that. Usually just pressure washing stores. But anyways, this Schedule 80 riser tube just holds it all the way down in there. So it just sits down the end of the tank. Same thing for the bleach. I don't really want to pull that one out. I don't feel like getting bleach on my hands right now. But so it's just set up just like a regular downstream injector. The tube there at the bottom just goes down over to the injector. Truck's messy. It's had a rough week. Let's see here. I get down. Ours just pops out here. We got a little downstream bypass valve. You just hook up there. We quit running our hoses through the hose reel. This is life-changing if anybody hasn't done it and thought about it. I delayed it for a really long time and worked out pretty well. This brass piece, we sell these, but they're kind of hard to find. We get them from EnviroSpec. This is the Super Sud Soaker. We get some nice flow out of this. Alrighty guys, I hope that helps you out. Have a great week, and we'll see you guys soon.